making that turn. Our rival star there. What's that? There we go. Stern 5. There we go. Yeah, we got to get her down to 6,000 now, right there, as we're making that turn. And we're coming down. We're bringing her down. We are bringing her down, y'all. Respectfully. We're bringing her down. All right. And now let's put on our arrival lights here. We crossed 10,000 feet. Landing lights. Landing lights are up. Cool flight, y'all. Cool flight. All right, so a little change I'm gonna do here. I'm not gonna go CL07. We're gonna go direct to pink, okay? So let's do that. We'll go direct to, yes, direct to pink. No, direct to this pink. What am I doing? Yeah, we're going to go direct to this pink. Okay. Okay. Well, I don't like what you just did to me, so here's how we're going to do this. We're going to go... Alright, we'll go direct to this guy here then. Cool. That's what you want. That's what you'll get. All right. So I think we're getting down to our altitude now, y'all. Of 6,000 feet. Perfect. Yeah, I think Lake Tahoe would be a cool flight. You know? Man, look at this place. This is beautiful. Milan. I think we're probably like flying right over Milan. Milan's like right behind us, actually. We didn't fly right over it. But yeah, Lake Como, folks. All right, we're gonna go ahead and set for 3200. This localizer is a little tricky. All right, 3200, folks. 300. Yeah, we'll go 300. That's cool. We can take it from there. Start drawing her down here soon, y'all. After we make this turn the next 2 miles, as we step down, should be crossing Caldo at 4,700. So we'll just use our vertical here to make that adjustment here. Make it easy for us. All right, we're gonna take off. We're gonna take this autopilot off, y'all. She's acting kind of funky here. Let's go ahead and manually bring her in here. All right. Let's go direct to. Let's go direct to 55 Loc. All right, we are way off here. All right, let's let's not mess with that. Let's just go ahead and manually bring her in. All right, folks. There we go. We got remedy for it. We got remedy for everything here. Keep our altitude up here. Stay up a little bit on our altitude here. Keep her up. And we're gonna turn right for our runway coming up here at our 3 o'clock here. Our map up here. There we go. Cool. All right, let's get our gear down. Stop fussing at me here. Ah, there's our runway right there. Holy crap. Runway just popped up on us out of nowhere here.